Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Here's a 2-in-1 project. You will need one wire step shelf organizer that you get at Dollar Tree, 3 small plastic slotted baskets that you also get from Dollar Tree. I call them skinny baskets and they usually come 3 in a pack for $1.25. You can put them on each level of the step shelf. One way to do this is to apply hot glue or even E6000 to the bottom of the baskets so that you can attach them to the top of the step shelf, or tie the zip ties through the slots and then connect them through the wires. But you can also leave the baskets just sitting on top of each step of the step shelf without attaching them permanently if you want the liberty to lift the baskets as needed. So I left it loose like this because I would like to carry my basket in case I have a project, and then I'll just choose the colors. I just want to show you also, if you do not want to use the baskets, the problem is you really need to corral them because otherwise they will fall off. It's not very sturdy, so that's why you will need the basket. And I like also that there is a space there in between the basket and the next step that you can use to organize the bottles like I've done here, to fit in more items in each step to maximize the space. If you want to use this to organize your bottles like nail polishes, paint bottles, or even seasonings or spices. This is small enough or compact enough to fit on top of your table or your desk or your countertop, or if you want to place it inside your cabinet, it will fit perfectly as well. With the same materials that you use for the first DIY creating the countertop organizer, you can also create a wall organizer using this cabinet step shelf. Just put 2 nails, or even you can use the adhesive wall hooks or command hooks, and then hang in reverse the shelf. In my case, I only hung it on top of 2 nails because I plan to use this only to organize my lighter items like my washies. But if you want to use this for heavier items, you may want to use bigger nails or even the picture hooks that can carry some load, or like I said, some command or adhesive hooks. I'm placing 2 skinny baskets, one on the top portion and the other on the bottom portion. I'm letting them sit in between the 2 legs or feet of the organizer. And since I am putting in lighter items like my washi tapes, I do not need to tie them with zip ties. And then the third piece or the third basket, I'm putting it in the middle and it will sit on top of the back that is protruding. I will use zip ties to attach it securely in place. I'm only using 2 zip ties, one on each end. So I'm organizing my washi tapes inside these baskets, and since they are light enough, I don't really need to secure the other 2 baskets, and they can just sit securely in between the legs of this shelf organizer. Occasionally, I would buy my washi tapes from Dollar Tree because of their affordability, and I like also that they have a set of skinny washies, and they are the smaller ones that I am hanging on the legs of this organizer so that I don't have any unused space. I try to maximize the use of this organizer. I can use this also for some washi samples and some of my ribbons as well, or even those threads and twines. Anything light I put, especially on the ones that are not secured. But if you want to secure it further, you can add zip ties to the baskets. I just want the liberty of being able to lift the baskets when I'm doing some work, making it more portable. I just want to show you as well that even though I mentioned I only put something lighter, a little bit on the heavy side would be the paint bottles, the 2-ounce paint bottles, and they also fit. As you can see, I was able to fit 5 of them here, and the legs are secure enough. You can even tighten it further to go closer to the basket so that the basket doesn't slide out. You can use this for seasonings and spice bottles as well if you want to use this in your kitchen or inside or the back of the cabinet of your cupboard. You can also organize your nail polishes here as well, and the fact that 2 baskets are removable, it'll be easier for you to carry them around when you're doing your nails. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!